15-year-old Kisen Wanniang from Maulangwir village, southwest Khasi Hills, was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar in New Delhi on Thursday. President Draupadi Murmu presented the award to Kisen and 16 other children for their exceptional achievements. Kisen was recognized for his bravery in rescuing 4 children, aged 9 to 12, from the Meghalaya'S river during heavy rains. The son of a single mother, Kisen acted swiftly after hearing the children's cries for help while washing clothes by the river.
Jelau Arab ini mereka bat ngalah jutai ngajom bat ngat Arab bersih jauh dinwe bat kita yang tahu ting semua benak boleh yang kesem bat senang thar bat distrik bat presiden bat prime minister.
Chairman of the Grand Council of Chiefs